shop as yesterday. Lizzie McGuire, you are an outfit repeater. That is me. I am an outfit repeater and I need to put makeup on because I'm leaving in 30 minutes. Basically what's happening today is I am helping my friend Allie. She works at this place called Daily Goods, which they have a location in the Chelsea Market, and they're basically like an organic food store. So I'm going to help her photograph a bunch of stuff for social and for their website and stuff like that. So I'm using my new Fujifilm camera that I'm so excited to try out today. I have a nice little flash and everything on it. So we're gonna go to Chelsea Market and just photograph some food today. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. And obviously my day is stacked, so I have a lot to share today on episode 5 of Vlogmas. I can't believe it's already been 5 days. Wow, time flies when you're having fun, am I right?
This is so cool. This is Allie. Allie works at Daily Goods. I'm here taking photos today.
I just left Chelsea Market. I'm now walking home. I have some stuff to do. I think I'm gonna do some unboxing before I have an interview later at 4 with a student who goes to NYU. She was wanting to interview me for a project. Sorry, I'm like out of breath. I'm meeting her, but first I'm heading home. I accidentally went shopping. I didn't mean to, I swear, but I went to Anthropologie. It's like my weakness. They were having a sale, okay? Okay, so we are doing an unboxing. The first one, Adina's Jewels. I love Adina's Jewels. They always send me the most amazing things. So basically it is this necklace with my name on it. It's K-A-T-Y, obviously. Thank you, Adina's Jewels. It's beautiful. I feel like unboxings are kind of like when you were a kid and you had a birthday party and you opened your gifts in front of everyone and had to like thank people in front of everyone. Like that's what I feel like unboxings are. My mom would be like, what'd you get? So she could write a whole list so I can make thank you cards for everyone. Crave Beauty Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser. Oh cool. Matcha Hemp Seeds, Oats, Almonds, Vitamin B5, Sodium, PCA. Water Cream. I've actually heard of this before. Look how fabulous their design is. Like that's of course the first thing I look at. Okay, so I'm gonna try these tonight. I'll let you guys know what I think. Crave Beauty, thank you so much. I will be recycling a whole lot of this stuff, don't you worry. Okay, so then we have Glad Skin. So let's try this one out. I'm literally using a ceramics tool that I just have. I don't know. I just have like the most random things, I swear. Hello, Glad Skin. Goodbye, Mad Skin. Clever. So I'm actually so excited to try this. This brand reached out to me because they know about my eczema, which you guys can like see on my hand here. It's all over my face. It's on my body. I have the worst eczema and it's a really big pain point for me in the sense that I hate how visible it is. I do a lot of writing, of course, and so people are always looking at my hands, and I have like huge patches of eczema on my hands, on my arms, on my body. So I'm excited to try this product. Ooh, it's an unscented moisturizer. Wow, that feels really nice and thick. I'm so excited to try this. Wow, thank you, Glad Skin. I'm very happy that someone from your team saw my Instagram when I was like complaining about my eczema. So next, some of these things are probably things that I bought. So I ordered a replacement for my tripod. I have not had one of these like things that my camera sits on and like goes into the tripod for actually a year. Like I've just been setting my camera on top and hoping to God that it doesn't topple. So because I want to do more videos where I'm filming down on my journal, etc., I needed to get a new one. So Amazon primed this baby. Gosh, this tool is not as strong as I was hoping. Okay. So next we have, oh, this is another eczema brand. Okay, it's called Galline. So actually fun story behind this. So I love Daisy jewelry. I'm wearing the ring right now, designed by Estee Lalonde, I think is how you say it. Formerly Essie Button, and I was obsessed with her when I was younger, still am. I love her videos, I love her aesthetic. So I actually tagged the ring on my Instagram story and said like, I like that it masks my eczema, or it kind of distracts from my eczema on my hand. That's why I have it on there. People are always like, oh, your ring definitely causes this. I'm like, no, I put it on top because I want to distract. Anyway, so she actually reached out to me and was like, thank you so much for the support, but I also have this one brand I want you to try because they have great eczema relief products. So she got me in contact with Galline and they sent me these fabulous products. So we got the face vinegar that tones, soothes, and brightens. And then we have a face mask and scrub for balancing and smoothing. And then a body milk. I get eczema all over my body, so I'm gonna need all the help I can get. And then we have hand cream. Thank God. I'm excited to try this as well. I'll definitely give you guys an eczema update because I want to obviously help soothe it. I feel like for so long I've just kind of taken it lying down and I'm like, okay, fine, like I'll just let it happen. But it's genuinely painful. If you have eczema, you know it hurts, it's uncomfortable, it makes me less confident. So I definitely want to try. I definitely want to try to come up with a solution for my skin. So, oh gosh, this is scary. We have our first culprit of the I really hate these things. Grateful for the package, don't get me wrong, but like these, they get all over my apartment. Okay, wow, this packaging is very cool. Holographic almost. Okay, so we have Express Tan, Self-Tanning Mousse, Self-Tanning Water, Face and Body Drops. This sounds cool. Sounds very revolutionary. Cool, thank you, Tanologist. I get a kick out of like the slogans inside of boxes because I used to help with this at L'Oreal, design the boxes. So I am so excited about this one. I am on Patrick Ta's PR list. How is that a thing? Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, I've been looking for this fan. They sell out everywhere in Sephora. Oh my gosh, wow. I feel so lucky. Ah, somewhere angels are singing because I am on Patrick Ta's PR list. I can't get over it. Okay. I'm gonna have way too much fun with this. Thumbnail. Major Glow Highlighting Mist. Hold the can 6 inches away from the face. Spray along the cheekbones. Oh my gosh, here we go. I don't have a mirror, so you guys are gonna have to tell me how I look. Smells like a crayon. Can you see a difference? Probably not. I assume you're supposed to go like to like dry it. So thank you, Patrick Ta. Okay. Next up we have Aloe Yoga. I look so bad in hats, but I know a friend of mine will love this. I just feel like I just something about it. Anyway, maybe backwards. No, this is very cool. White aloe sports bra with the strappy back. I love a good pair of leggings. What size are these? I'm nervous. I got a booty. Oh, size medium. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna live in these. Has this like moto texture. Very cool. They feel thick and they have a lot of give, which is gonna be nice. So, okay, thank you, Aloe. That was cool. Has, oh no, oh. I would much rather like sustainable bubble wrap or something. Like there is some sustainable options that aren't so terrifying. So this is cool. It is a super nourishing coconut and fig. I see a fuzz in my hair. No. Coconut and fig hair mask. That sounds like it would smell amazing and I can't open it. Like I am feeling very compelled to like lick this. It smells that good. Oh my gosh, guys. I just got the What We Said merch. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is the What We Said merch. This is JC Marie and Chelsea Curtis. They made merch for their podcast. Wow, so cool. Oh my gosh. I feel very cool. And it is black, so it'll go with everything that I own. Wow. Oh, cool. Look at the back. It's like a fortune cookie, and it says, big things coming. Oh, so I ordered this martini measurement thing. I don't know what these are called. There's definitely like a technical term for this, but basically it's one of these little guys that measures, you can measure your vodka, your vermouth, your olive juice for martinis. So last but not least, we have quite the box. This is like legit. What's this? Oh, we got condoms. Extra sensitive, extra lubricated. External battery for my phone. That's very helpful. Then we have playing cards, EOS lip balm. Yeah, and that is all that we've got from Red. Friend of a friend works for them. So that was very sweet. And that is all that I got from PR packages. So I thought that I would also just show you guys the few things that I got from Anthropology because classically Oh, I've been wanting one of these headbands for a really long time. They're very expensive. I'm just gonna preface it because before you get your heart set, like just know this was a very expensive headband. And yeah, it's by Lele Sadough. She's like a very famous headband designer. And so her signature is like these really big statement headbands. So I picked up this one from Anthro and I'm loving it. Just need to like fix my hair. This is my Christmas present, like from me to me. I'm not buying myself anything else until January, mark my words. So, and then I got a dress for this event that I'm attending. Oh my gosh, I might keep this actually for my tree. I'm gonna deck my fiddle fig. Stunning, like look at that foil. Like the gold accenting, and it's kind of one of those like shapeless, like very like, and I was gonna wear it with this headband. I just think it's so pretty. It's floor length, this like rust orangey color. I saw it and naturally I was like, okay, I don't know if I need this. And then like 3 salespeople were like, you need this with your coloring, with your hair. I'm like, I know what you're trying to make me do here. You can see my discarded sweatpants over there. Let's ignore that. A student at NYU actually contacted me and said that she's writing a piece for school about influencers and stuff like that. So she wanted to interview me. So I'm actually going down the street here in West Village to Citizens on Bleecker. They have amazing coffee there. So I'm gonna go get a coffee with her and just chat for an hour. Then I have a call with my manager and then I have an event.
Planning out 2020, if you're open to that, it would be, I mean, whenever you would record next week.
Yeah, so, okay, got it. So we would do that and HelloFresh mentioned next week, which is fine, right? Which one are you going for?
The Field Theory Albarino.
Great choice.
It's definitely
Or like a lighter, yeah.
a little bit drier and sweeter side, and this is a sparkling white.
Oh, thank you so much. How is it?
Very sour. We're trying.
It's a passion fruit. I've never had passion fruit. And this whole store is just so pretty.
I made this cute little floral arrangement.
It's prettier than mine.
I'm the founder of LC Designs NYC, and I do custom grazing boards, charcuterie boards, and I'm going to give you guys a demo on how to do a smaller scale version of this. So I like to mix up and use different kinds of textures. Like I like to use hard cheese, soft cheese, and I like to mix up whether it's cow's cheese, sheep's milk, goat cheese.
And then we work with them to create our collections in the most ethical and sustainable way possible. So the work that you see around you is a collaborative effort of 2,000 artisans across 16 countries. We are a luxury home decor brand. We make very beautiful things, but our fundamental belief is that products can only be as beautiful as the environment in which they're made.
So I just got back from the event and it was very cool because we made like dry flower arrangements. The girl that was running the station was like, I've been watching you on YouTube since high school. It totally made my night. Like those sort of things make my entire existence, quite frankly. So, but yeah, it was really very cute. And then, so part of the event was a cheese board demonstration and we got to learn how to make cheese boards like from an expert cheese board crafter. I'll put her Instagram down below. She was so sweet. And she's local, so she does cheese boards in 24 hours. If you have an event, you can like call her 24 hours in advance and like she'll make you a cheese board. And she actually gave me these edible flowers because I'm making a cheese board on Saturday for this it's called the Supper Club. We're starting it with my friends. And so I'm in charge of the cheese board. And so I was like, she had these beautiful edible flowers on the cheese board. These are like pansies, I think. So they're like little pansies and they're edible. And she was saying, I always just like overnight these from California. I was like, oh, I need to write that down because I have my thing on Saturday and I should get those. And she was like, oh, you just want to take these home with you? Like you can have them. And she gave me these edible flowers that are like hand grown in California. Like so nice. She was like, refrigerate them. Put them in the refrigerator. And now I'm actually going to sit down in my bed, probably, or at my desk, and edit this vlog, which is so fun. I like editing videos more than I like filming them, so I'm actually really excited. Like, I always get really excited to edit videos, so that's why Vlogmas is very fun for me. So anyway, so that is all. Thank you guys for the support on Vlogmas. It really means a lot to me. I'm having so much fun with it, and I'm happy you guys are liking it. So make sure you're caught up and you watch all the episodes that I have out, and I will talk to you guys all in my next vlog. Bye! I promise I thought today's vlog was gonna be over, but then I was sitting here writing my list of things to do tomorrow and like answering some emails, and I just got very overcome with gratitude. And like, I don't mean to be cheesy, I don't want this to come across as cheesy, but I was just getting like super weird goosebumps, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, is this what passion feels like? This is what passion feels like. This is what it feels like to be excited about what you're doing. And I'm so excited about the projects I'm working on. I'm so excited about these new freelancing ventures, and I don't want this to come across as gloating. I'm just really proud of myself for getting here, because it's taken some time and some tears, and I'm here and I'm really happy, and I'm really thankful and grateful for all of you guys for helping me get to this point. And I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to get to a point where you are proud of yourself. Like, I think that we need to find more moments in life, or kind of strive to get to the point where we are proud of ourselves for even the small things, even, you know, just the smallest of things every day. And whatever that means for you, please strive in 2020, or even just tomorrow, to do more things that make you really proud of yourself. Yeah, I'm about to edit this vlog, and I'm really just passionate about my life right now, and it's exciting. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna cry. I feel like I'm getting emotional. Yeah. Okay, bye.